Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you my latest footwear haul. This is a totally random haul, like I have a pair of sneakers, boots, flats, heels, all from different brands. So if you're interested in seeing what I bought, then please continue watching. I have also shared a H&M haul recently. I will link it here and also in my description. Make sure you check that video out. And like always, if you like my content and want me to make more videos, then please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new videos of mine. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Starting off with my latest favorite pair of heels. Well, I wouldn't exactly call them heels because 1.5 inch is nothing for me, dude. In my head, anything less than 4 inches shouldn't be called heels. I run on extremes. I either have flats or 5-inch heels. But this time my husband convinced me to experiment and try out shoes that I normally wouldn't, and I'm so glad I did. So coming to the footwear, these are extremely comfortable. I wore it a lot of times and sometimes for the entire day, and my feet never hurts, not even once. And that surprised me because I'm used to foot pain in anything except flat. It has flared block heels, which is the reason why it is comfortable for longer hours. All in all, I feel this adds a very nice pop of color when it is paired with light and pastel colored dresses. Also, this is a perfect wear for the current season we are in. I got this from the Westside store and they are priced at $14.99. Coming to the second pair of heels, also from Westside, are these lime green knotted pair of heels. Let's take a moment to appreciate the color and the detailing on this one. The threads and the knots are made up of slightly elastic fabric and the strap provides ample support. This also has block heels and the heel height is somewhere around 2 inches. They are very much in trend nowadays and they are pretty easy on your feet. Originally this piece was around $17.99 but on sale I got it for $9.99. I'm in the size 40 EU. Next one is also from Westside and these are the brown wedge slides. Please excuse me guys, I know they are a little dirty because I've worn them multiple times. This is that kind of pair which you can wear anywhere and anytime. The footbed is very soft and the sole is completely made up of rubber. This is a very basic pair but this weave pattern adds a little oomph to it. I feel this is such a pair which everybody has in their footwear collection, and this one came in multiple colors but I felt brown ones looked the best. And I paid somewhere around $4.99 for this, and these are my daily drivers. They come to your rescue when you don't know what to wear. These are really good if you're stepping out for your grocery run or even if you're running errands for the entire day. If you're not a heels person, then you're gonna love it, and I'm in the size 40. A quick disclaimer before we move on to our next pair. This haul was supposed to be a Westside footwear haul as I had ordered 8 pairs from the Westside website. But I had sizing issues with more than half of them, so I had to return them. I had ordered all the footwear in the size 40 but they all fit me differently. The return process was slow and the refund took even longer, and it took me more than a month for the entire process. Then I wanted to reorder the pairs which I returned, but their website was no longer working and they asked me to order it from the Tata Click app, but all of my favorites were out of stock there and I never really got the opportunity to order it back from the Tata Click app. I know some of you might consider buying something from Westside, so I just wanted to let you guys know about my experience of buying from the Westside app. The next 2 pairs are from Lee Cooper, and the first one is this black basic pair of boots. Guys, I can't express in words how much I love them. This is my first pair of boots and I'm already addicted to it, and I'm pretty sure I will get some more pairs in winters. They instantly amp up any look. You can wear anything casual or everyday basic like a white tee or denims and throw on these boots, and this will elevate your look to some another level. I wore them on one of my shopping trips for 5 to 6 hours straight and they were pretty pleasant. It has block heels which makes it extremely comfortable, and even if you are not a boots person, just try them once, you may end up liking them. I myself never thought I would love them so much, and I'm in the size 41 and these are priced at 3,000 rupees. I know that's a little expensive but the quality is also great. You do get a variety of boots with color options at H&M and Zara. At H&M they will be somewhere around same price 3,000, but at Zara they are priced a little steep. They will cost you anywhere around 5,000 or more. I myself was looking for a pair of boots from H&M but my size is not available in the H&M stores. Buy them in neutral colors so that you can wear them with everything, and I would suggest get them in comfortable heel height so that you can wear them all day. I bought them in block heels pattern and this is somewhere around 2.5 to 3 inches and I'm very comfortable with it. Next I have this pair of black gladiators. This brings back a lot of memories. These are all I used to wear back in the day when I was in college. When I saw them in the store, I realized I haven't had gladiators for a really long time. They are pretty basic but they look so smart. You can style them with everything and anything like dresses, shorts, jeans, you just name it. I got them in black because they are easier to style and you can dress them up or down depending on your preference. I got this from Lee Cooper's store in the size 41 and I paid around $12.99 for this piece. I wore them just once and they are a little uncomfortable around my ankle because of this strap. This is a bit tight for me, but that is actually not the footwear's fault. My ankles are a little chubby. Moving on to my favorite pair of footwear, these are solid black classic heels from Catwalk. The footbed is very well cushioned and the ankle strap gives you enough support which you will need because the height of the heel is quite high. This is somewhere around 4.5 inches. Also, they give you a very smart and sophisticated look when styled nicely. To be honest, I just wore them once and they are not the most comfortable pair of heels, but they look so yum. These will never let you down and they are gonna be your best friend for any special occasions. I love the glossy texture of this one and its overall build and they look quite premium. These are must-haves but make sure you choose a comfortable heel height. The best thing is that they are never gonna go out of style, so a good pair like this should last you for years. I'm in the size 8 and this costed me somewhere around 1000 rupees. Next, I'm gonna show you my favorite piece. I know you have heard that about all the pieces I have shown you today, but guys, I can't make up my mind. Last ones are these chunky sneakers from H&M. And this was my Valentine's gift from my husband this year. He knew that I was looking for a good pair of sneakers for a long time, but I didn't want to spend a lot on them. And all the ones I liked were more than 6 grand. However, this one is priced at 3000 rupees, which I feel is a great price point for them. I have another pair of sneakers from H&M and they too are super comfortable and made up of good quality material. So I can definitely vouch for sneakers from H&M. Although I like white sneakers, but I'm not the person who can maintain them, so I'm glad I didn't get the white ones. I love this light beige and light green combination. This looks pretty young and fresh to me. Around this mouth area, it has sock type material which hugs your ankles and gives you a snug fit. These ones get dirty very easily. I wore them just twice, but they look like I had been wearing them for like a year, so I cleaned them before showing it to you guys. This is in the size 42 and this is definitely my favorite piece from the entire haul. You can wear them with everything, jeans, skirts, shorts, and these are especially good when you're traveling. If you don't own a pair already, you should invest in 1 or 2 good pairs and you're sorted. So that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave your makeup suggestions in the comments. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.